Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint this dramatic stormy city scene with lightning lighting up the sky. For this painting, I'm using 4-inch mini canvas. I just peeled off the outer paper and got it ready to paint. For the paints, I'm using acrylics. The colors are bright red, dark red, black and white. You can refer to the exact color names on the tube and just go ahead and paint with whatever colors that you have. And of course, I'll be using different brushes in different sizes along with my palette and clean water. Now let's begin. I'm starting with cadmium red medium hue. I mean brighter red. Instead of palette, I'm directly applying the paint onto the canvas in little slanted blobs. Next, darker red. And this is honestly one of my favorite parts, just squeezing the paint straight onto the canvas. I'm adding a couple of blobs towards the top and another one at the bottom so we can start building the sky. Now with the filbert brush, I'm going to start blending these colors together, working diagonally across the canvas. Look at how bright this red is. And I really like how buttery the consistency is. This is honestly what I enjoy the most about working with acrylics. I am doing the same with the darker red on the upper part, slowly blending everything together. And just blending until the colors start flowing into each other. And of course I had to make a tiny heart here because why not? Okay, if you have been following me for a while now, then you must know why. For the next shade, I am mixing a little bit of black with a brighter red to create a deeper and muted red. I am mixing the two colors together until I get the exact shade I had in my mind. Using the same filbert brush, I am adding this shade diagonally on the upper left and then repeating it on the bottom right. Then I'm blending both areas into the background. I'm just going back and forth, adding or blending wherever I feel the sky needs a little more depth. Next, I'm adding some white and mixing it with a little bit of red, and using this lighter shade to start creating the clouds. Here's a little tip. If your acrylic paint starts feeling a little too thick while painting, you can add just a tiny amount of water to loosen it up. Just don't add too much water, especially when you want good coverage. I hope this helps. I'm keeping some areas lighter and some darker to give the clouds a little more dimension. There is no exact pattern here, I'm just adding the colors wherever they feel right. And with a few final touches, the stormy sky is coming together. Now it's time to add the city. I'm taking some black paint onto a round brush and starting to build the city skyline. For the buildings, I'm not really following any particular reference here. I'm just creating different shapes and heights as I go. I like keeping the skyline a little more uneven because it makes the whole scene feel more natural. And since the background is already quite dramatic, I'm keeping the buildings really simple and letting the sky do most of the work. I'm also trying to make sure I don't place all the taller buildings together, so there is a nice variation throughout the skyline. Once the lights are added, these simple black shapes will start looking much more like an actual city. Now, I'm adding this taller building in the center because I wanted something that would stand out from the rest of the skyline. I'm giving it a slightly sharper top to make the shape more interesting. I really like how this one instantly becomes the focal point of the skyline. I am taking white paint onto my palette. I'm starting with this big lightning bolt on the left and letting it branch out towards the building. And then I'm adding another big one on the right towards the clouds. I'm adding a smaller branch to it and another little bolt on the right side. Now I'm adding smaller branches to the lightning on the left, extending them towards the clouds. Just a few more little branches to make it look more natural. And one tiny bolt up here to finish off the sky. Now I'm adding all the little lights to the building starting from the right side, using the same detailing brush. For the taller building, I'm adding a few longer lights and filling in the rest with these tiny white strokes. I'm doing the same with the building on the far right, adding little windows and lights one by one. And finally, adding the last few lights to the buildings on the left. And we're done! A little stormy city scene with glowing lights and lightning across the sky. Dramatic, right? I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe and don't forget to share it with your artist friends. Oh, and don't forget to comment your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!